What's up, guys? It's Mark from Erickson Machine, and today we got a little bit different of a video. What's up, guys? It's Mark. Before I start this video, I want to make a quick comment. All of the statements in this video are my opinion on how I feel and nothing else. This is my opinion on this situation. None of these are stated as facts. They're my opinion. It's how I feel, and it's how I look at this particular situation. I hope everybody understands that. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the video. Have a great day, guys. Want to thank everybody for coming back. I greatly appreciate it. I want to thank everybody that went to Erickson M&P and bought merch. Also, thank you very much because you help support the channel. This video is a little bit different of a video. It's a slight rant, but it's something that I wanted to bring knowledge to other people about. So on this table here are all American-made parts from original manufacturers, made in the USA. Something that is really, really tried and true to me. I have been in manufacturing my entire life. We need it in our country. This is where our jobs come from. This is what really has made the middle class. The people that build our country, the people that are machinists, welders, fabricators, builders, electricians, heating, air conditioning, so on and so forth. We are the people that make this country work, and I consider myself one of them. So one of the issues that has come into our industry in the last handful of years have been knockoff Chinese parts that are killing our US companies. And it is heartbreaking to me, which is why I'm making this video. So I want to give a couple of examples and show some things. I'm not naming names on the companies that are doing this, but it's something that you need to think about when you buy your parts. So for one, there is a company that is copying the factory pipe. Factory pipe has been in our industry from the beginning. They have made the best pipes for 40 plus years at this point. They are a stand-up, American-made company that has done a phenomenal job. The only time that they have ever had an issue was during COVID when they were shut down. There was a year that people had problems getting pipes. Now, if you worked through the big flu, let's call it, you understand how tricky it was to continue working during that time. And in my opinion, at least for me, I give them a pass. And during that time, we were rebuilding old factory pipes almost nonstop for customers. The truth is, the only good B pipe that is available is the original factory pipe. The knockoff pipe does not have a water jacket in the exhaust. The exhaust runs super hot. It does not perform the same, and it's made out of cheap Chinesium cast aluminum. That's the facts. You can call up Riva and buy a factory pipe without a problem. They are available. You can order one today. And if you can't, they'll be available soon. Please take that into respect, because in that instance, the knockoff is like almost the same price as the real one, which I find even crazier. I don't have a problem with people necessarily taking a product and making it better. There's multiple ways to make this pipe better. We actually have a design for our own pipe that is a different manifold and head pipe that I just haven't had time to do. It is the same bolt pattern. It is the same size this. The exhaust manifold is different and the head pipe's different. It flows water differently and it performs differently. It's a plus. It's not a copy of a part, and on top of that, an inferior copy of it. Same thing with manifolds. We can buy manifolds that are made in the US for great prices. Why are we buying Chinese copies? A lot of these parts, John at Watcon, people have copied his stuff left and right. Rock County Jet Ski and Watcon have been around forever. These parts are made in America by Americans. Great parts. And let me make another comment on this. One, I'm from the US. I love American manufacturing. We have customers and shops that we deal with that are in Belgium, that are in Sweden, that are in, I know of one company that we use for race car stuff that we do that's in Australia. Several companies that are in Brazil, companies that were in Canada, stuff like that. I have no issue with that. My issue is with Chinese manufacturing, because the only reason it's getting manufactured there is to make it cheaply. It's to maximize profits, especially when the parts are selling for the same price as the American-made ones. You got to think about how you're spending the money. In the past couple years, we lost R&D, one of the biggest companies that made some of the best manifolds, some of the best products around, and they're gone because people were copying their stuff and they closed the doors. SCATTRAC, everybody and their mother wanted to copy a jet pump to sell the jet pump, which is the easiest part to make, but nobody wanted to make a better prop. So we lost a company that had been doing it for 40 or 50 years, however long they were around. It might actually be longer than that. And this is what happens when you do that. If you end up taking your money and sending it overseas, the companies that design these parts go away, and then there's nobody to copy from, and an industry dies. It has happened to many industries, and I see it happening to ours at the moment, and it scares me. I hope you understand I'm not trying to badmouth any of the companies. And the company with the factory pipe, which I'm not naming their name, I'm friendly with the owner. I think he's a very nice guy. I don't agree with his business practices, and I don't agree where he manufactures his parts. That's on him, not on me, obviously. And I like the guy. I got no problem with him. I just can't support those products for the mentality that I personally have. So this was a short rant, but I wanted to bring it to people's attention. You know, this PJS pipe, great pipe, cast here in the US, machined here in the US. You can have shipped to you the next day. If you dry them out and you set them up right, they perform really, really well. Factory B pipe, one of the best pipes on the planet. You can't beat it. You know, and like I said, there's parts made in Japan. Bun makes amazing stuff. He designs his own stuff, he makes his own stuff, and he sells his own stuff. My problem is when stuff gets copied and they just make a cheap Chinese knockoff and send it here, and it kills all these other companies that are just trying to make a buck. So I don't really make these rants often, but I feel like it's my duty to make a comment about it. The reason I started this YouTube channel years ago was to help people learn how to machine their own stuff. And over the years, I've helped multiple machine shops open up and start making their own parts, which I think is the coolest thing ever, talking to guys that I've helped teach how to machine stuff. I take great pride in that. This is not something, in my opinion, that you should hoard to yourself and not share with anybody. This knowledge, the best people, in my opinion, share their knowledge so that it can grow. Saying that, I don't share that, I don't do it, I don't show this. I've become a better machinist and a better engine builder over the last 4 or 5 years, however long I've been on YouTube, from sitting down and explaining it, cutting engines apart to show what we're doing. Honestly, on a bunch of our packages, I've picked up multiple, 5, 10 horsepower on some engines just by taking time and looking at it deeper than I've ever looked into it, which is the cool thing with YouTube, Instagram, all that stuff. So I just wanted to bring this video, make you aware, think about where you're buying the parts. At the end of the day, it's your money to spend it however you want to do it. But think ahead of time on what could happen. So, like always, guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thanks again.